How's that front caliper replacement coming along?
Oh, it's going great.
Alrighty, good.
It looks better though.
Oh yeah, yeah. You gonna weld those?
Yeah. I don't think I can. Tell you what I can do though.
With enough heat, you can weld anything.
We care about the heat.
We do. We do.
Rust.
We care about it immensely. My new bumper.
Yeah, just. Oh yeah, I didn't even mix it good enough.
It's the thought that counts.
So if anybody needs some custom fabrication work,
Just give us a holler.
we are open for business.
I'll tell you to go someplace else.
Yeah. We can cover up the.
Oh, blending them right in. Look at that. Custom. And you're empty.
Okay, that's odd.
I got some semi-gloss in the truck. Okay. Moving on. Hey, watch the overspray on the rest of the Jeep, alright?
Oh, sorry. I don't want to make it black.
Right.
Wow, that thing is on there. Hey, that's good. All right.
Oh.
Always treat your brake drum rotors nice.
With kid gloves.
Oh, boy, that thing's rusty. Hopefully all those others come out. Size of enough.
About yay big.
Yeah.
Where'd the caliper go, Kevin?
Fell off
Okay.
somewhere. I mean, it's right here.
Hopefully it's good. Hopefully it'll fit. Hopefully it'll reach. Well, it's $19.99 right there.
One nice new set of pads.
I thought the other side was pretty good too when we... Of course, we've been running on one front brake for so long now. It's probably shot.
It's gone now. Don't think to line up.
Of course, I left the bolts at home. Hopefully you still got the ones for this thing.
Should have them somewhere. I don't know where I put them.
Just realized that. In a bag sitting on the floor.
Right here.
Okay. Oh, in a bag sitting on the hood.
There's the old pads. Yeah, it's some meat left in them.
Yeah.
You didn't charge you a core, right?
No. If they did, they never said anything. I'm not going to drive all the way back out there for a $2 core.
I don't know, they were what, 30 bucks a piece on my new ones?
Oh, really?
Yeah. About as much as the caliper itself.
What was that I did on the... Oh, that was the gearbox for the 84? Yeah, the core was as much as the...
Yeah. It's like, how are they making any money?
I don't know. Cheap Chinese parts. It's okay, we all understand it's a Jeep thing.
Yeah, you wouldn't understand. Wait, what? You understand that you wouldn't understand?
I understand. Okay. I think.
I don't need to take that one off. Oh, Jesus. Ah, wipers work. Once in a while. Everything works great when everything
Works.
midsummer when everything's
Right.
dried out.
Dried out and all the contacts are good. Oh, you broke it.
That guy.
Oh, look at that. Here's part of our clanking and popping and...
I think that should be a majority of it there.
Yeah.
There's probably no bearings left in there.
Sweet. Hang that one on the wall.
That's my spare for my Jeep now.
Yeah. I'm gonna get you back home from Sasquatch land.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, the restoration of the Heep begins. Gonna do a full frame off
Yeah.
on a unibody vehicle.
We do a unibody off.
Yeah. On a vehicle that they says, you can't take the doors off, it'll fold in half. That was what, 2 years ago now?
Maybe on the road it was.
Well, it's all the mud that holds it together is what it is.
Right.
Everybody needs a beater.
Car.
What are you, painting it?
Cleaning all the dirt off the splines. It's been sitting a while.
Sitting.
Try not to drag too much dirt in there.
Try.
Oh, come on.
It's in the hole.
Oh,
Wow, it's gonna be like a whole new Jeep.
it's not gonna clunk. It's gonna have all its brakes.
You're not gonna know what to do.
I'm not gonna know how to drive it. Just handle this one on. Turn the wheel. East way, other way. All the way.
Oh, it's locked now.
One more. Is that it? Not again. Turn it back the other way. Hit the other one again. Last thing we want is this brake Jeep to break.
Right, we want this to last.
Lubing the U-joint.
Right.
Lubing the wheel bearing.
Per factory specs. Douse with WD-40
Everywhere.
and hope and pray that it works.
Oh, you know what I'm missing? Rotor.
Yeah, actually, that's yeah. I was wondering what you were doing there. I was like, you got now that you got WD all over them.
Just clean it off real good here. You always put it on the brake pads too. You don't want squeaks.
Right, right. See, you sprayed it with WD, now it's swelled right up.
Almost there.
Vehicle maintenance made easy.
Tighten this guy up. I don't know what this bolt does, but we're gonna tighten it.
Okay. The old Super Swamper TSLs.
I should hit that with the paint pen.
Maybe so. I'll make white letters.
Yeah.
Be sporty.
Yeah. Isn't it a sport?
No, this is the limited.
Yeah, your other one was a sport.
Yeah, that's right. Hey, when you drive a Jeep, you're all sports.
Alright, we're bolted back together. Oh, clean too, nice. Look at you.
Just one side though.
Ah, it burns. Just now we gotta swap a brake line here. How's this one look? This one looks like it'll be fine.
Alrighty. Good luck getting that other one off.
Well, I'm taking it off the caliper.
I just grabbed it figuring in case the other one was bad or something. I don't think they charged me anymore. There, while he's running away, we'll go ahead and hit the back real quick. They're semi-clean, they should kind of stop.
Kinda.
Hopefully, maybe.
Yeah, that was real hard, Brian.
It's because I loosened it for each junkyard.
Probably the WD I sprayed on it.
Yeah, that's what it was. Actually, it was the brake clean.
Oh. It's the cold shock.
Oh, the fluid's leaking out.
There it is.
Is that out of the caliper?
Huh?
Is that out of the caliper?
Yeah.
Wow. Sweet, she still had fluid in her.
Probably better than what's in the Heep now.
Oh, we gotta bleed the brakes too, don't we?
Yeah. I'll take this.
The clamp method was kind of leaking a little bit, so we may not have much brake fluid left in this thing.
I guess I can just leave it pinched off here. It's gonna go. It's not the right one. Let's see. Oh, hello there.
Hello.
Hi, YouTube.
I think I can see what I'm filming. You're doing your part to make me more money on my channel. What a good little brother.
Where's my cut?
You don't need one, you just bought a new truck.
Yeah, I do. I just bought a new truck. Oh, we got some tire rubbage up here.
Oh crap.
Let's scrap it.
Yeah. Can we gently tap it with a hammer and or just rub it till the tire wears down?
Yeah. Now it's a little tiny spot where the paint rubbed off.
It's gonna rust.
Wow, that's weird. Looks like got so much pressure in there. Or something weird.
Cross-threaded, huh?
It's like snap, crackle, popping.
Whoa!
Alright. Should bleed these front brakes and it should be good.
What about the rears?
Reach.
More WD?
Alright, go ahead and pump. Nothing but air.
Right on.
Good. Do it again.
It's good pedal feel though. Floor.
I've got most air out right there. Go ahead.
Floor.
Air's only on this side too. Go ahead.
Floor. Now it is.
One more. Catch my fluid here. And one more.
Floor.
Yeah. How does it feel?
Feels pretty good.
I don't know how to do the other side then. Start it up and see if it still feels good.
Oh.
I said start it.
Oh, okay. No, not. I'm not going to the floor. Yeah, a bunch of resistance right there.
Oh man, I got a good exhaust leak. Must have cracked our header finally.
Sweet.
Finally.